Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share a video with audio in Google Meet on Android. Let's begin. First, open the Google Meet app. This is the interface you'll see. Now, tap the New button to either create an instant meeting or schedule one. For this tutorial, I'll create an instant meeting and then click Join. Once you're in the meeting, make sure your camera and microphone are working. In my case, I've turned off the camera, but the mic is working fine. If you want to invite someone, just tap on Share Invite to send the meeting link. Now here's something important. At the top right, tap the speaker icon and make sure the audio output is set to speaker. Do not change it to phone or audio off. It should be on speaker to ensure the sound comes through clearly. Once that's done, tap the three dots menu at the bottom right and select Share Screen. It's usually the second option. Tap Continue when prompted. You'll now see a pop-up asking to start recording or casting your screen. Tap Start Now. Your screen is now live and being shared in the meeting, including any video and audio that you play. To stop sharing, simply tap the Stop Sharing button. And that's it. That's how you can share videos with audio on Google Meet using your Android phone.